Hello everyone. So I made a tutorial about how to open the Modular Pro on VS Code, but today I'll be showing you how to open Modular Pro on Anaconda. For me, I'm using Jupyter Lab. There's two Jupyters. There is the Jupyter Lab and the Jupyter Notebook. I would recommend using Jupyter Lab because of this feature. It has this sidebar where it shows you your files. If you open a folder, let's say downloads, it shows you the files and the other folders in that folder. So it will be easier to navigate through your notebooks. And let's go ahead. Let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the I'm going to extract the Modular Pro from the zip file. This zip file, this is the file that you download from the community, from the WhatsApp group community or the WhatsApp group. If you don't have access to it, you can just DM. So let me just extract. Let me rename it to 7. Yeah. Yes. Extract. Okay, it's here. So the next step is going to the Jupyter Lab. For the Jupyter Lab, you have to make sure you know the location of your file. For me, it's in the downloads folder. The downloads folder, users, downloads. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here is the users. This is the user. These are all my folders. So it's in the downloads. So let's go and open downloads. The folder is Modular Pro 007. Let's open that. And the next step, after opening the Modular Pro, after you extract it and open it in Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook, you'll see 3 files. The first one is a Python file. The other one is a regular notebook, and the other one is a requirements.txt file. So yeah, you are supposed to open the regular notebook, and then after the kernel has set itself up, you go ahead and run the first 3 cells. The first cell installs your requirements. So this cell will install the requirements needed by your needed by your notebook. The next cell is going to fetch the files you're missing. So the first time you run it, it will install the files and download other notebooks that may be of use to you. As you can see, it has finished downloading. So whenever you have an issue with any of the files, you should DM me, and then I'll if there is a problem that's affecting everyone, I will solve it. And after solving it, I recommend you come. If let's say, for example, the global notebook has an issue, you just send me the copy. You just screenshot the errors. If I will ask you for the errors themselves, you copy them, you send them to me. And if there is an issue, a real issue that's affecting everyone, you just delete a notebook if it has an issue, and you have told me and I've corrected it. Just delete it like that, and then you come and rerun this cell again if there was an issue, and then the missing notebook will be downloaded again. As you can see, global notebook has been downloaded again, so this one will be fixed. So that's the thing. If something is wrong, you just tell me, I fix it. You delete the wrong thing, then I fix it, then you download a new fixed file. So that's the step. After opening and downloading your notebooks, you can use some of them. Regular notebook and the global and the super alpha notebook and the settings variator, those are free. The portfolio manager, the template builder, this is to build templates. These ones are not free, you have to pay for them. And the portfolio manager too, and the advanced regular notebook, it's more of the regular notebook, but it has better error handling, and it is maximized and it is way better. It can go through your list of alphas faster. It is maximized so that you don't get errors frequently. So your work is just to define your parameters and then run your notebooks. The next thing is the template builder. This one is not a long one. This one you use it to build templates. I've created a database with the operators. So what it does, it gives you a chance to create your own templates. After finishing the templates, you can copy them like this one right here. You can come this one, you can copy out the output, and let's say you can come and use it in the regular notebook. Let's do an example. Although we won't run it, I'll show you an example of how to nini. So as you can see, I just copied the templates, this output, and pasted it right here. So if you want access to the template builder, I can give it to you, and the advanced regular tool, and the portfolio manager. The portfolio manager is a tool you use to retrieve old alphas. Maybe you had alphas that were performing well last month, and you don't want to go do the platform scrolling and filtering. So you just come here, you use this notebook to retrieve. You enter a date, you enter the number of days after that date you want to correct the alphas, the region, and then you correct the alphas. After correcting the alphas, you can they can be filtered by my filter, and then if there are any alphas that pass that do not have errors or many warnings, they can be checked for submission and submitted in the last cell. I hope everyone has understood how to use how to use the what is it called how to use the Modular Pro on the Jupyter Lab or the Jupyter Notebook. They are the same, I think they are the same. The difference is the regular notebook does not show you your files, and make sure when you open the files, you have opened them in the same folder. If you open them in different folders, you won't, your notebooks won't be able to access them. So open them just as I've shown you, and everything will be good. I hope everyone has understood. Yeah, see you guys later.